Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be working on problem 3, which is the last question there, which is question 3. And don't forget to share the video across your friends. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Any video, any type, any part of mathematics you want to make, it's here for you. And maths, physics also available, and chemistry. I think I've been on the integration by partial fraction. We have done first one, second one, this is the third one. Now, and this helps us to explain the cases of partial fraction, which we have treated partial fraction before now with examples. Now, I have this particular question, which is problem 3. I have integral of 2x minus 2x minus 2x. Am I not making mistake? Minus 7, all divided by x squared x2 with respect of x. Now, look at this problem. It's a very nice part of integration. But the only thing I want you to know here, this one is different. The only difference there is that we are having cubic divided by what? Quadratic, which is improper fraction. Now, I need to, and this is called complex fraction. I have to take it in a way that it will be a simple fraction. How do I make it a simple fraction? I can now say that what? 2x, resolve to partial fraction. That's what I'm going to do now. And I'm having 2x, this is having squared, minus 7 divided by x squared x minus 2. Now, what I just need to do now is that I'll be having x squared minus x minus 2. I'll be having 2x cubed, 2x minus 7. Now, I'm just trying to divide it. I can also use the synthetic if I want to, which is not necessary. Now, this divided by this divided by this, I'll be having 2x. Now, what am I saying there? 2x cubed divided by x, it will be what? 2x. Now, that 2x multiplied by everything here, it will be 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x. Now, I will minus, which is this minus this, it will be 0. This minus this, it will be 0. This minus this, it will be 2x minus 7. This one is just coming down. Now, at this point, the power here is higher than the power here. It means you can't go further. It can't go further. Now, you will not stop here, because the power here is higher than the power here. This one is 1. Can you see? You can't go further. Now, what you just need to do now is that don't forget your quotient plus remainder all over divisor. Now, your quotient is 2x plus your remainder is 2x plus minus 7. Is it minus 7? Yes, minus 7. Yes. Divided by your divisor is x squared minus 2. Now, which also will be equals to what? 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x minus 7 divided by x squared x 2. Now, can you see? Simple, complex. But this is still complex, so don't take note of that. This is still complex. Now, I can now continue by having, now, I can now say that let me try to make this one more simple, because there's no way I can now say that, we are integrating with respect of x. I also will be integrating with respect of what? X, if bracket is here. Now, since I have that, I can now continue by having integral of 2x dx, the problem. plus. Now, here, there's no way I can do this. It means I must be able to do it, also resolve to partial fraction, which is 2x minus 7 divided by x and x, because this is a quadratic. 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. I mean, minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. It means here will be plus 1, here will be minus 2. Yes, I think I'm doing something making sense. Yes. Now, I need to pick this thing up. I also need to resolve it to partial fraction. 2x minus 7 divided by x plus 1, x plus minus 2, we implies a all over x plus 1, b all over x minus 2. Now, at this point, a bracket of x minus 2 plus b bracket of x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 1. Now, my s to be 1, 2. If I'm using open up method, my s open up method. Now, my s is 2. It means I'll be having 3b equals to 4, which is going to be minus 3. It means my b will be equals to minus 1. Yes, my b equals to minus 1. Now, if my s, it means let s equals to 2. Let x equals to minus 1. It means I'll be having minus 1, minus 3a equals to minus 1, that will be minus 1, minus 9. Now, my a will be equals to 3. My a is equals to 3. Now, I can now decide to say that integral of 2x dx plus here now is equals to this, which I'm talking about this. I'm also talking about this. Now, complex, simple. Now, which I'll be having integral of what is my a? My a is 3. 3 the bracket x plus 1 plus b is minus, which will be minus 1 all over s. Now, can you see? I cannot see that what integral of, if I integrate this, I will be having 2x squared all over 2 plus this one will give me 3 ln s plus 1 plus this one will now be minus ln of s minus 2 plus what? Plus k. That is my answer. And you see, it's very simple. I'll be stopping here. By now, you are okay with partial fraction. So don't forget to share the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much.